Howdy y'all, this is K1 Locks. Today I come at you with this lovely Corbin lock I've got viced up for you. This guy, based on its size here, looks to me like it's about a 5-pin lock. Oh, yeah, definitely a 5-pin lock. So, I have not picked on this guy or done anything with it at all. I'm just trying this for the first time, so let's see what we can get. It's speaking to me a lot, which makes me think it's got some security pins in it, but I just don't know yet. Probably be better if I use 15 thousandths or an 18 thousandths for that matter. But since I don't have any 18 thousandths, anyway, back to our stock lock Sunday. You can hear my neighbor outside. He's using a weed blower or some type of motorized device, probably battery powered or possibly gas powered. Son of a bitch. Nope. Did you get your hearing aids in, Dad? Not trying to be a dick. I don't know what in the hell is going on here. It's speaking to me a lot, but I think shit just keeps falling down. So I need to do is slow it down, slow my roll. There we go. See, all I need to do is slow down for a minute there. And we got her. Sweet. All right, let's go ahead and open the sucker up and see what we have inside. Now I got the song from Tool stuck in my head, man. It's an oldie but a goodie. Deaf and blinded, not a boy to follow. What you need is someone strong to guide you. That's me. That's what I got stuck in my head right now. Hey, Dad, got another one. Bless you.
Another mosquito?
No, another lock.
Oh, cool.
I have 8 locks that I picked out. They're stock locks, just regular old locks, and I'm trying to pick them open. They're hard locks.
Oh.
Hard for me anyway. Deaf and blinded, what a force to follow. Nope. Whoa, what in the... Look at that. There's actually no pin in number 2. I must have overset it or something. Oh. Alright. Oh! There's a ball bearing out of 2, y'all. What in the damn hell? There we go. Definitely a master pen, Corbin. Oh, and it's gross too, man. It's like all this nasty ass grease on it and stuff. Yuck, it's gross. Anyway, nothing's been done to the core, obviously. Let's see what we have up in the Bible. I'm excited to see what's in 2. Woo! Alright, spool. Nice. Another spool. A huge spool with a couple of those guys. So those sit on top of that ball. That's weird, man. Another spool. Probably another spool. And another spool. Wow, 5 spools. And obviously nothing done up into the Bible either there. So as we see what we have here. Bunch of this is a serrated pin here. I just want to show this to you. Okay. Let's see if I can do this. That shows you any better, I don't know. Anyway. Here's a threaded pin kind of on some parts of it. Here, let me show you better. Again. See? Threads on it now. Weird, huh? And then a ball bearing and 2 wafers on number 2. A wafer and a pin, pin and a wafer, pin and a wafer. All the rest of the way. And then we have a bunch of spools on top. So, pretty cool for Corbin to put all spools in the top for that lock. So, thank you so much for watching, y'all. This is K1 Lock saying be safe, be legal, and be that lock.